Building and maintaining an emergency fund for financial stability. An emergency fund is your safety net during unexpected financial setbacks. Establishing and maintaining one can prevent debt and financial stress. And it's not difficult to get started. Here are 4 key points to guide you through creating and sustaining an emergency fund. Calculate ideal emergency fund size. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This buffer can cover unexpected medical bills, job loss, or home repairs, ensuring you stay afloat even during challenging times. Start small and be consistent. The idea of saving a large sum might feel overwhelming. If so, begin with smaller contributions. Consistency matters more than the initial amount. Automate those monthly transfers to your emergency fund to build it steadily. Keep funds available. While investments offer growth potential, emergency funds should be liquid and somewhat easily accessible. Opt for a high-yield savings account or a money market account. Avoid tying up these funds in long-term investments. But don't make them too easy to remove, either. Replenish your fund promptly. If you have to dip into your emergency fund for any reason, make replenishing it a priority. Once your situation stabilizes, focus on restoring the fund to its recommended level. This prepares you for any future expenses. There you have it. 4 simple tips for getting an emergency fund up and running. It can be the smartest choice you can make to reduce financial stress. If you liked this video, please kindly hit like and subscribe. Thanks. And please visit us at www.debtdetoxadvisors.com for more great content.